You're it, Marshall. You can't catch the speed demon. Oh, yes, I will. Woo! Ow. I'm okay. Woo. Me too. Oh, well, that was odd. No. I hear something in my ear. It's Ryder complaining to the mighty lookout. To the mighty lookout. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Puppies, one and all. Ready for the captain's call. Today is a really big emergency. I'm always up for it. Well, we don't need you. Aww. But alright. Anyway. I keep falling over. So, Mayor Lily's nephew, Ronan, has lost his jackhammer. What? We have to find it, don't we? Yeah, we do have to find the jackhammer. He thinks somebody's controlling it. So, we're going to solve that mystery and find the jackhammer. So, who do we need? We need Rocky, Inviso power, Sky, Whirlwind power. Oh, I fell. Get in the zip line. Let's go, go, go. All right, let's go to the Mighty Jet, Sky. Come on. Woo! I already selected the coordinates because I'm smart. Let's go. First things first. We need to find Mayor Lily, Ronan. There they are. Oh, hey, Bo. Hey, Belle. What you doing? Well, we've been waiting for hours. Like, you gotta catch that jackhammer. Don't be so rude, Daddy. It's not very nice. And it's not very official to such a highly based altitude or something like that. I don't know. Oh, my sister is correct. Well, the jackhammer's right there. It's getting away. Don't worry. I'll catch it. And I'm going to go check on the new baddies. And I'm going to check on the baddie secret base. We'll catch it once you stop it. Shh. I think there might be something going on in there. I need a closer look. I knew it. Somebody's controlling it. 3 somebodies. RoboBark's assistants. I gotta stop that somehow. I have an idea. Got it! Oh! I'll get it! I need this mighty jet power. We found it, and we found the problem. Okay. This is like getting boring. I'm gonna go get a root beer soda. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get that. Now I want to get a pizza. Oh, I'll come with you. I want pizza. I bet Blossom won't mind if we leave the lab a little while alone. So, yeah, let's go. What are you doing back there? Get back there. Perfect. I have to suck all the jackhammer powers and put it inside. What are you doing? You're using our powers. Get them. We'll get him only. No! No! Our master will be so depressed. I need more root beer. I need more pizza. We're here. We did it. It's done. Paw Patrol had some fun. There's nothing to it when you Paw Lenty do it. We'll see you later on Paw Mini Adventures.